Hi everyone, I'm from harsheepictures. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how we edit our mobile pictures on Vsco. So let's get started. There are so many apps available for editing your mobile pictures, and our favorite app is Vsco. Vsco is a free app and it's available for both Android and iOS. You can download the app from the link in the description below. So let's start with opening our Vsco app. It has several sections like Vsco Editor, Vsco Studio and Vsco Cam. In this video, we won't be talking about the Vsco Cam. When you open the Vsco, you will see 4 icons in the bottom toolbar. From left to right, these are Vsco Feed, Discover, Studio and Profile. The Vsco feed displays the photos from the people you follow. The Discover icon lets you discover the new photographers in Vsco community. The Studio is the place where you will find the photos which you have imported into the app. Profile icon shows the photos which you have shared with the Vsco community. In this video, we'll only focus on the Studio screen. First and foremost, we'll be importing the photos into the app. To do that, we'll be tapping the plus icon. It displays your phone's library. You can select how much of your photos you want. I'll be selecting one photo which I'll be editing. Then tap import and your photos will be imported to the Vsco Studio. If you've imported more than one photo, select a photo and click the edit icon at the bottom. So after you tap the edit button, you'll be directed to Vsco Photo Editor. Vsco, you will be having both filters and manual adjustment. You can either go with direct one-tap filters or the manual adjustment. So what I prefer is first applying a filter and then doing the manual adjustment. So it all depends on your preferences. Vsco actually provides a basic set of filters. Tap on a filter to apply to your photo. Try and check each and every filter and apply the filter which actually suits your image the best. My favorite filters are C1 and F2. If I need more vibrant look, I'll go with C1. If I need some faded look, I'll go with F2. So I'm going with a more vibrant look for this photo, so I'll be applying the C1. So after applying the filter, I'll be tapping on the filter again to get the slider. This slider helps you to reduce the intensity of your filter. Here I'll be going like 7.5 to 7.6. And one more thing about Vsco is you can actually see your before and after images anytime when you're editing the photo. Just by tapping and holding the photo, you can see the unedited original photo, and by releasing it, you will return to the edited photo. So coming to the manual exposure, there are like different tools. I won't be using all the tools. I prefer more brighter images. Here I'll be increasing my exposure slightly, like about 0.3 or 0.4. After making the changes, you can click the check mark. And the next tool is contrast. Since I'm going with a vibrant look, I'll slightly increase the contrast to maybe like 0.4. And the next tool is adjust, where you can crop your images to different aspect ratios. If I need to post my images to Instagram, I'll go with 1:1 or 4:5. And for stories and WhatsApp status, I'll go with 9:16. Right now, I won't be cropping the image. I'll leave it as it is. The next tool is sharpen. It actually enhances the details in your image, but be very careful to not over sharpen your images or you'll end up degrading the quality of the image. Here I'll be going like 0.6. And the next tool is saturation. Again, I'll slightly increase the saturation to get the more vibrant look. And please don't be overboard with all the effects. Make sure you're subtle. I'll be increasing the saturation about +1. The next tool is highlights and shadows. Highlights actually bring down the brighter parts of your image. Shadows brightens up the darker parts of your image. I won't be tweaking the highlights and shadows here since there is no problem with it. And the next tool is the white balance. There's like 2 sliders here. One is temperature and the other one is tint. If your image is too yellowish or bluish, you can correct the image with the temperature slider. And if your image is too greenish or magenta-ish, you can actually use the tint slider to correct it. You can also use the temperature slider to give a warmer or the cooler look. So for this particular image, I am going with a more warmer look. So I'll increase the temperature a little bit, 0.4. And the next tool is skin tone. You can correct the skin tones if it's too yellowish or if it's too reddish. For this photo, I won't be touching it. So the next tool is vignette. Vignette actually helps in making the edges of your photos darker, so that the focus is on the subject. Here I'll be going like 3.8 or 3.9. And the last 3 tools are grain, fade and split toning. Most of the time I won't be using these tools. Since I've already applied the filter, I won't be touching the split toning. You can always play around with it. After making all the adjustment, make sure you click the save to save all your edits. And one more best thing about Vsco app is you can actually save all your edits and make it as your own preset. And also you can copy all the edits you made for a particular image and paste it to another image. And if you have a number of similar images, you can just edit one photo and copy the edit from that photo and paste it to all other photos, and you're done with it. After saving the edits, click the three dots at the bottom right. Click save to gallery so that your picture will be saved to your gallery. If you have any questions, please do let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.